This video guides you through updating the system software, navigation, and head unit firmware on your MINI Countryman R60 from 2010 to 2015. Keeping your software updated improves map accuracy, adds new features, fixes bugs, and enhances security. Note that official updates for this model are primarily done via USB or SD card. BMW has shifted newer models to over-the-air updates. However, for the R60, you'll mainly use USB or SD cards. As of 2026, BMW offers an online portal for direct navigation map downloads to USB. While BMW has discontinued active support, unofficial communities offer workarounds which carry potential risks. The MINI Countryman R60 uses BMW's iDrive system for navigation and controls. Update types include navigation maps for points of interest and routing data, and head unit software for radio, touchscreen, and connectivity firmware. You'll need a compatible USB drive formatted in FAT32 under 32 GB, a stable power source, and a backup of your data. First, visit BMW's online portal for your MINI Countryman R60. Download the latest navigation map update file directly to your computer. Make sure to select the correct region and model year for compatibility. Next, prepare your USB drive. Use a computer to format it as FAT32, ensuring it's under 32 GB for compatibility with your vehicle's iDrive system. This is crucial as other formats may not be recognized. Now transfer the downloaded navigation update files to your formatted USB drive. Ensure the transfer completes without errors and that all necessary files are present for a complete update. Finally, before starting the update, park your Mini in a safe location. Ensure your car's battery has a stable power source, either by charging it fully or using a battery maintainer. This avoids system damage from power loss during the update process. First, insert the USB drive or SD card containing the update files into the appropriate slot in your Mini. Use the USB port located on the center console or the SD card slot in the head unit. Next, turn on your Mini and start the engine. On the iDrive touchscreen, use the central controller knob to navigate to the main menu and select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll to and select Software Update. The system will detect the update files and guide you through the installation process with on-screen prompts. This update typically takes between 30 to 60 minutes to complete, so ensure your car remains running throughout. When updating your MINI Countryman R60 software, safety should be your top priority. The update process carries certain risks that you need to understand. One major risk is that updates can potentially brick your system if interrupted. This means the head unit or navigation system could become completely unusable, especially if power is lost during installation. To prevent issues, always verify the file integrity using checksums provided by BMW when available. This ensures the update files haven't been corrupted during download or transfer. If you're not confident in performing the update yourself, professional installation at a Mini dealer is the safest option to avoid these risks and ensure your system remains functional. If your update fails, start by double-checking the USB drive format. Make sure it's formatted as FAT32 and verify file integrity using the checksums provided by BMW. Next, try restarting the iDrive system. Turn off the vehicle completely. Wait about 5 minutes, then restart to clear any temporary system glitches. If problems continue, consult a Mini dealer or reliable online forums for professional help. They can diagnose and fix more complex issues. Most importantly, avoid using unofficial modifications from third-party sources. These can cause serious damage to your vehicle's system and may void warranties. As official support for the MINI Countryman R60 diminishes, aftermarket solutions offer promising alternatives. Retrofit kits from companies like Navcoder can provide partial over-the-air updates, with adoption rates reaching 40% among classic Mini owners by 2025. However, cybersecurity remains a concern as hackers target infotainment systems. Future updates will prioritize encryption to protect against vulnerabilities. By 2030, community-driven open-source updates may extend the vehicle's lifespan.